let's get started on the Pinterest stuff here. So before earlier, I was distracted or sidetracked with the URL situation. So now I have my own URL for the basically for a website that I will build later. I'm assuming, and the actual URL for the bedtime story. Okay, so now I am going to start literally start week 5 um, items. So I am going to the 24 week plan here and scroll down all the way to week 5, which is the Pinterest item. Okay, so I will go ahead and copy this here, copy that, and go on to a new chat. Okay, let's really start on week 5 items now that we have the URL situation, URL established to AI Wiz. I don't know if I need to even put this here. So shift enter is how you enter on or skip lines on this here and paste. Okay, and go. Oh, earlier the previous video said that I will transition the TikTok to showing the product, but actually I asked Claude and it says to go ahead and continue on doing the documentation of the build. So that's what I'm going to do along with this YouTube channel here. So I will spin this up. There we go. And I'll be back so that you don't get waste your time here while it thinks. Claude finished speaking here, so let's see. Let's go through it. Good, the timing's right. With story.ai live, every pin now has a permanent home to point at, so nothing you make this gets orphaned with URLs changes. Week 5 is 3 moves in order. Stand up Pinterest properly, account, profile, claim, domain, board, the thing only you can do. Build and publish the first 15 to 20 pins, all pointing to the tool, the asset I can build with you. Film the real engine is on post. Let's do number 1. So create the business account, go to Pinterest, create, so copy and paste. AI WizKid, continue. So I will just go ahead and follow this through here, set up the using this, like I said earlier. That's what I was doing on the previous video, and it took a while. Jeez. Okay, and I will just gonna go ahead and follow this to build the business account for Pinterest. I don't know what that entails, but I will go ahead and try to do it, and I will be right back. So create board. So I'm just going to follow this step by step here. Um, and if there's any issue, I will ask Claude or take a screenshot of it and then tell me what to do. But I won't bore you on how to do it. And I'll be back when hopefully it is up and running. Longer than expected to do because it seems like I already had a Pinterest account, but using the different my old AIWizKids at gmail.com. And since I am trying to make everything cohesive, so I want to change it to hello at AIWizKid.com. So it got stuck. So I have to go around and edit a bunch of stuff so that my website is here and my email will be hello AIWizKids. So, all right, so I did it, and so this is the Pinterest account here. So previously I just I post this up. I didn't remember that I did. But everything's all linked, I guess. And with this Pinterest here, I am using the hello at aiwizkid.ai. So that's the email that is gonna uh, forward, I guess, or be seen as with this AI WizKid brand here. So brand. So this is it, and I will be following this step here. So it's basically the now the real work begins. Next single step: create your 4 posts. This is a pure Pinterest clicking, no, whatever that is, and let's give you your pins somewhere to live. All right, so this is what I will be following, and I will come back and show you the result of Pinterest. So in Pinterest here, Claude told me to create 4 different boards. I didn't even know how to create the board, so I had to screenshot and it had to tell me where to go. So it's basically you have to go to save in here and then create board. And once you hit that, it'll create a board. In this case, I am making 4 boards. Um, whatever boards mean. I guess one is the bedtime story, and then another one is screen time alternative, AI for kids, family activities and learning, and then there's a little description. So just put it in here, which you see there, and then just create it, and then you will have a area where you can put the description as well. So that's what I did. Basically the description's right here. Oh, you can add the description right here when you're in the board itself. So right there. So I have 4 board now, and what will be next, I'm not too sure. So I will tell Claude that I am ready. So all done, all done with the with the 4 boards and description. What's next? That I've gotten all the board here. This is the next step that Claude tells me to do. So basically make the pin. So making the pins here, I will go ahead and start. So 5 pins for 5 pins for this one, 4 pins for screen time alternative board, AI for kids. There's 3 pins and 3 pins here. Okay, so let's get started. I give me the inspiration, so I can copy on to Canva to adjust. One thing at a time. So so the pins is 1,000 to 1,500. I will go into Canva here, hit create. I think there should be a pin in here. So, oh, Pinterest pin. Oh yeah, here it is. So Pinterest pin 1,000, 1,500. So go ahead and create that. Okay, so here's anchor, 1 bedtime pin, full pin to ratio. This is the template to copy onto Canva. Okay. Alright, so let me try to do it right now here with you guys here. Show you exactly how I do it. So this is how it's gonna look like. Alright, so what is that? I don't even know what that is. So eyebrow. I guess this is called an eyebrow. mascot. Drop your actual robot in there. Headline is there. Subtext. URL footer is right here. Go button, single accent pin. Make your story. What is that? To build in Canva. That. Create background. Okay, so I will copy that. Copy. Go into Canva. That. I think it's that, right? Yeah. 3 4 3 is the 3 4 is the last 3 4. Okay, and this one will be that, and that'll be going in text. The header. AI Whiz Kid. Copy. You know what? Let me try to do this. It'll be faster. I'll copy the URL here. Copy. Can you put it in here? There, see if it works. So I copy that URL so I don't have to do every single one. Hopefully it works. I'm not too sure. Maybe they need me to do this first. So this one will be the logo. I think I have a logo in here already somewhere that I deleted. Oh yeah, here it is. Put it in there. See if it works. Let me look at design. If I'm promising design, okay. Oh, let's see. So hopefully it works. Either way, so do you want to place the entry box? Whatever. Not too sure. So in the meantime, I'll just work on it to see if it will do everything correctly. That's a big headline. This is pretty time consuming. Shoot, where'd it go? Make your story. Alright, so basically I had to go through and make the edit. It's faster than whatever Claude is trying to do here. So whatever this is, let's do the version we need to add for. Did they even do it? Let's see. I don't know what Claude is doing. So I just built this here using that. When they're all on the canvas, just say done, paste the link again if it's handy, and I'll put gas. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna try it. Duplicate this. Done. Here is the URL. Okay. So mine looks decent already, but it is time consuming. So let's see if Claude can do it any better. You did way more than place empty box. You built a whole pin yourself, headlines and map, and you did the second page already. Nice. Let me see the current state clearly before I touch anything. So I only fix when. Okay. 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 So I'll stop here and then come back. Claude said that is finished. So basically, you have to put in all the text area in the image, and basically this is what it did. I did this part, and it just came in and adjusts the color and I guess the font and the color and another color. So it really doesn't really help. So it's just adjust. It can only adjust the image but not place elements on it like text and image. So it's kind of useless. Okay, so I will go ahead and continue to do the posts here or the pins based on this. It's kind of time consuming as well. And hopefully in the next time, since I have this text and text elements already on this page, hopefully it can do it a little bit faster. But I will go ahead and do the this process here for the pins. I'll be back and show you the final result. Going back and forth using Canva, I ended up with that there. So I think it looks pretty good. I tried to ask Claude to do it with a template, but it didn't work out. So it just needed a manual adjustment. So here it is. That is the first one. I will go ahead and download this and then ask Claude to see if this is good and to see if shall we move forward. So I will go step by step. Put it over here. I'll upload this to Claude. All right. All right. I don't know if it's all right. This is what I am up with. Okay, to move on. So yeah, so it's just basically use Claude as a editor, I guess. Maybe I can increase this font size, but that can be adjusted. That is okay. John looks like the product not a beginner. With working headline, blah blah. What I think is a brand new breaks as brand new bedtime story is by my eyes slightly once a brand new bedtime slash story in 5 minutes. It reads fine as so not worth touching. This is exactly over polished trap and pin. Yes, move on. You've got the master. Here's the patch. So the next 14 are fast. Duplicate this first page, then swap only the headlines everything else, mascot, eyebrow, subject button, stay identical. That's what makes 15 pins in 30 minutes. Here are the 15 headlines. So I think if I'm gonna go ahead and use this as a template, I will just have maybe Claude do it to reproduce it. So I don't have to do it. So let me see if Claude can do that for me. But what is it telling me to do in the first place anyway? What is this? The headline breaks as a brand new bedtime story in 5 minutes. I slightly want a brand new, bedtime. Oh, I see. A brand new bedtime story. That's what it says. A brand new bedtime story. Claude didn't see that. Oh, I get it. But okay, so let me ask Claude to go ahead and add extra pages in Canva to fill those out. Here is my link. Should I duplicate the 14 pages for you, or can you do it yourself? Choose that. I'll copy that. Oh, I don't see that. A brand new bedtime story. What's wrong with it? I don't see anything wrong with that. Okay, so let's see if we can do that or not. See, good question. Here's the answer. You should duplicate the pages, not me. The connector I'm working through, I can edit elements that already exist, but not can create. So to make the 14 copies, then I can go swap. So the division that way. You do 2 minutes in Canva, right click your finish hard, duplicate or the duplicate icon. Okay, do it 14 times so that I have 14. Delete the Also delete the leftover duplicate page 2 first if it's still there so that I copy on the finished page. I do once 14 pages, paste me the link again, and then I'll do it. Okay, so that's what I'll do. But I still don't know what's going on with this here. Brand new attempt to whatever. Okay, so I'll go ahead and duplicate this. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, you know what? I think I will. And I'll probably ungroup everything. So ungroup. So that has that. 12. Was it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Okay. Now there is 15 exact same pages. There you go. So let's see what it spins out. Let's see if we can see it when it's doing it. Okay, I'll come back once it's done. You guys can hear me a little bit better. I think I have to invest in a microphone here because this is new to me. So I actually went back and told Canva to do it. So basically, I have to Canva cannot add extra pages, so I have to come in here, duplicate the first page to 15. And I just told it, so earlier I ran out of tokens, so I have to redo it. So okay, can you redo the 14 pages? I ran out of tokens, got it, and then I just as you saw earlier, I copied the URL of my project here on Canva, and then it tells me I told it to just go ahead and update it. So it updated each page, but it doesn't look that great. The 5 minute wind down, never run out of bedtime story. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, I had to go in and adjust it. It's doesn't look all that great because the text is not lining up, so it's not 100% good looking here. So I will have to do it. I have to edit these. So I will come back and show you guys the edited version. So once I'm done, export in Canva, share download PGN, select pages, all 15. That gives you the 15 separate image. Upload and sort to board on Pinterest. Create each pin from those PGN. Assign them pin 1 to 5, bedtime story 6 to 9. Screenshot every pin designated link to. How do you do that? I don't know how to do that. Once those are live, week 5 complete. Pinterest account 4 boards and the pin batch. That's just leave the post turning in the real engine document task. Want me to write the TikTok build in public caption next? Or are you heading to Canva to export? Okay, I am going to head to Canva and export. So as you know, I'm recording this and trying to document my progress here. So and on TikTok as well. So this is totally new to me, and I hope you guys continue to follow on. I will be getting um, a voice recorder here, microphone, I mean, to make it sound a little bit better, since I am trying to make this as legitimate as I can. So I will be back, and if I don't see you, thank you for watching now. If you have any questions, just let me know. And yeah, I'll just ask what to do with this. Is there like a clickable link on TikTok or on Pinterest? I'm not too sure, but thank you for watching, guys. I basically just tell Claude to write out the title and description and link. And these, I know that these tag word doesn't work, so don't even try it. Well, you can. You have to search it manually though. But anywho, this is what it is. Each image, I asked Claude to give me the title, description, and link, and I just go into it one by one onto each of the, I guess the board here. AI for that's so there's 4 boards. So basically, this is done. Pinterest is up and running with a real link here. If I click on this, it will lead me to this bedtime story. Okay, so this is done pretty much done for week 5. I just as told Claude, or I took a screenshot of it, and basically once I eyeball it, which I did, and the link click to lead to the free bedtime story maker. It is now done. Week 5. All right, guys. Thank you for watching.